Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, April the 2nd, 2021. We have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy, but there is also an additional with extra Sudokus. And today, the first week, I always do the first week of the month a speed test. So the speed test is only for the Sudoku Light, and this Sudoku will be a number 2, 5, 6, 9. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square have 4 printed digits, so 9 times 4 is 36. All right, so let's get started. Let me start with the 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Here an 8. Here we have an 8. Okay. 7 and a 5. So here should be 7 and a 5. In this big square, 7 here, 5 there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, here 2, there, we see there 2, okay, 2, 2, here 2, 2, 2, here 2, there 2, so this should be a 2, 1, 2, 3, and 9, 9 here, 3 there, 9 here, 9 there. Let me see, 9, 9, 9, 9, here 9, so here supposed to be the 9, no, 7 here, 7, 7 there, there 7, here 7, then 2 numbers, 1 and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. What? 1 and the 4. 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. Yes. Here 1. Here 3. Here 4. 1 and the 3. I need here. This should be a 6. 1 and a 3. Here should be a 5. 5, 5. This should be a 5. 1 and a 4. No, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there. 1 and a 6. So the 6 should be here. This should be a 5. 1 and a 3 should be here, and the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 4. 1, 3. Here 3. Here 3. 4 and the 5. And 1 and the 4. Yes, 3 minutes. I've solved this in 3 minutes. All right, and I'm very pleased with the time. Yes, once a while you need to have a speed test to let your brains work fast and faster. Yes, and I like this Sudoku Light. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku heavy. How heavy, I do not know. We will see. See you then. Bye bye for now.